Hello and welcome to my first vlog of what I do in a day. My name is Team McPherson and welcome to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to share what I do with my career because I think a lot of people can look at someone who is in fitness and think that it looks extremely glamorous, and I just want to keep it real with you guys. So I am an owner of Team McPherson. That's me and my husband's training company. We do 8-week challenges, nutrition, we have workouts, all the good stuff, and I also teach group fitness classes in the Minneapolis market as well. So that is kind of what I do, and I want to take you on a day with me, so let's go.
All right, good morning. Taking you along my day with me today. It's about 3:45 a.m. Usually about 3:30 a.m. Ian starts the process of trying to wake me up. So I'm gonna get up. I don't want to get up, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Getting it ready for the gym. We're gonna go to the gym. Here we go. All right, it's a beautiful rainy day today. We're heading into the gym now. And we're gonna do some legs today. Wasn't really planning on doing legs, but here we are. Let's go. All right, workout is done. Did not want to do that today. Got it done. So heading home. I'm gonna get ready for the day. All right, just got home from the gym. I'm gonna mix up a quick protein shake and then I'm gonna take a shower, and I'm actually gonna get ready for the day because I highly enjoy getting ready for the day, and that makes me feel just, I don't know, just more accomplished and just, I don't know, better about myself. I am ready for the day, and I'm going to meditate, and then I'm going to start work. So usually work starts around 7:30. By the time I work out, shower, get ready, all that fun stuff. All right, meditation is done. This is what meditation looks like for us. We are on the floor of the office, and we took a few minutes snoozer too because that felt good. So I'm gonna get to my desk and I'll show you kind of what I do first thing as far as work goes. All right, so the first thing I really do when I sit down at my desk is I go through my daily planner. So I've got my to-do list and then I've got my like pockets of time. So what I do is I go through and I kind of schedule pockets of time of when I'm gonna get stuff done today. I've got some calls scheduled and I teach some group fitness classes tonight. So those are on my schedule already. And then I'm gonna go through and put some non-negotiables, and then I will also put down the things that I need to get done today as well. So I literally schedule out my pockets of time to ensure that I'm super efficient with my day. All right, I am taking a little lunch break here. So eating lunch, and typically I would always eat like lunch at my desk or doing something, and I really have been trying to be more intentional about taking a lunch break, just because digestive wise it's better if you're eating when you're focusing on eating versus being stressed when you're eating. So that is what I try to do. So when I'm like on par for hitting my like 120 ounces a day, I definitely have to pee a lot.
And it hits me at like 2 o'clock, and like I'll literally be on a call at like 2 o'clock, and I'm like, oh my god, I have to pee. I'm like, okay, make sure I'm on mute. I'm just listening. I'm just gonna go pee. I don't even care.
Oh my God. All right, so a large portion of my afternoon this afternoon has been client calls. So I have been doing nutrition consultations with my current clients, just setting them up for our next 8-week challenge. So that has been a big part of my day. Follow-up emails come after those nutrition consultation conversations. And then the other part of my day, a large portion of my day, is retention. So I'm constantly contacting, between 20 and 30 people who have been in my sphere, just reaching out to them, seeing how they're doing, just making that connection with them, and
caring, giving a shit about people is really the biggest part of my job. So yeah, that's how my afternoon has gone. Going to finish up some emails here, and then I'm going to get ready to go teach some group fitness classes. All right, and after a very long day of emails, phone calls, all that fun stuff, some marketing, I'm headed off to teach 2 group fitness classes tonight, high intensity interval training, which fills my cup up. I love it, and it's also a great networking opportunity as well. Let's go. Taking it up right here. Take it up. Let's go, Abby. Let's go, Dallas. Let's go, Taylor. Last and final time right here. Stay with it here. Stay with it. Last time right here. You got this. All right, just wrapped up my 2 group fitness classes. We are just cleaning up here and gonna head home and munch down because I am starving. All right, so after a very long day, it's about 7:30, got home, and usually my man is cooking me some dinner because...
No, you're gonna fall in there.
It's so crabby. Anyways, he cooks me dinner because I get home late on Wednesdays. I suck, apparently. So he cooks me dinner, which I'm very appreciative of. We're having some buffalo chicken salads tonight with some homemade ranch dressing that's completely vegan. If you want the recipe, let me know. And so yeah, this is what I normally do. Probably gonna do some rehab, some social media stuff.
Smoke some meth.
More work, smoke some meth maybe. We'll see about that. And that's about my day. So after dinner, sit down, watch some Netflix usually, and then again, that's like where some social media and rehab happens. And then TV is off by like 8:39, and then we start the process. I know it's later than that sometimes, but
fell asleep last night.
I did fall asleep last night. Start the process of getting ready for bed. Hopefully we're like in bed by 9:30 is like a good night. But yeah, that's kind of my day. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know if you have questions on anything. I'd love to share more. Yeah, just let me know.